After provoking earlier, now China blames India, lodges a protest through diplomatic and military channels. China embassy says, and I quote here, India illegally trespassed LAC at the Pangong. India had thwarted, remember, earlier Chinese attempts to change status quo by blocking Chinese troops by Indian soldiers who were fully prepared and were monitoring the situation on the ground. All right, so that's the big news coming in. A statement has come from the spokesperson, and this time saying it was India that has trespassed illegally at Pangong. So they are saying that while representations are being made, it is India's blame now. However, India has made it very clear that it does not want further escalation, but will forcibly preempt all that is required to safeguard its territory. It has already thwarted Chinese attempts which are trying to change the status quo yet again. And all this, remember, while there is a brigade commander level talks that are currently on, and despite that, the China side is trying to incite, provoke, and now even blame India. But how this is different this time, remember, despite this statement, despite the information propaganda that China is attempting via the Global Times and others, this time India is very clear. India is ensuring that it will not back down. It will stand up to any Chinese aggression, and therefore, while the situation remains very tense at the border and on different points this time, at least Indian forces and the government are not backing down despite China blaming India for the aggression. China, meanwhile, also urging India to exercise restraint this time.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.